Power of fab rats.
Makes sense why I'm so cold.
Good morning. Woke up this morning and we had a little snow last night. And Matt wants to go do Hell's Revenge in the snow. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I'm down for a challenge. We don't get that at home. Whew, it's gonna be warm though today, which is weird. It's not even that cold out here.
Listening to T-Swift
T-Swift!
and going to Hell's Revenge.
I'm not doing T-Swift. Tom-Tom's behind me driving the Moab. We got George and Curious George, Chris, and the bananas here this morning. Poor Colt has to go get propane from the propane store, Colt. So this is what Matt has to deal with every time he stops at a gas station, Walmart, anywhere. It's my favorite fan right there.
There it is.
Hey guys!
Finally meet you.
Oh, it's so good to meet you.
Bug.
Bug, good off road. Yeah, you're the reason we got an XJ and the reason we started a YouTube channel, so.
Oh, look who we just added. We got Rory. It's like we just added Robbie Layton. We added Rory. Bug from Goat Off-Road. I'm just cold and freezing. This is Chris Miller and George's Jeep.
I think I better go spot Tucker.
It's the Toyota Tucker Show.
I made it. The Bunny Hill.
That's George and the new Curious George. Here's Tom Tom. BSF recovery. Got some side-by-sides coming through. Are side-by-sides as annoying in Washington as they are in Tennessee?
They are.
They're called mosquitoes.
Yeah, yeah, they are.
What's that mosquito I hear?
They don't have any patience. They don't wait for you. That's
No,
for sure.
they don't.
But when they're broke, who's the first one they call? Oh, right, us. Right.
You're not gonna watch me. I'm not gonna spot you. Okay. That would probably help.
Oh, it is! It's cool!
In case you're wondering, today Robbie's wheeling the giveaway Jeep, the Tread Lightly giveaway Jeep.
There is a guy in a precarious spot over here. There's some things where you can't crawl it. You just gotta have momentum, and this is one of those things. You just gotta commit. This was your first time. What's your thoughts?
I'm in a good Jeep, so it's making it easier than I thought, but it's still very hard and meticulous.
We need to get you a Cherokee so you can experience what it should feel like.
Yeah, seriously. This is almost too good for my first time.
It's cheating.
Yes, this is cheating. That's for sure. So, but it's fun.
Oh, my secret for not getting cold? You don't perceive cold as painful, and you trick your brain into thinking everything's okay, but it's got to do something about it. So it starts burning calories, but it keeps all your capillaries open, so your hands stay warm, your feet stays warm, your ears, everything stays warm. You're just burning an enormous amount of calories.
So basically your secret is eating.
Yes, you do have to eat. It's not sustainable if you don't have a high-calorie diet.
Okay, so I need to eat more?
Yes.
Dang it.
You know the secret, don't you?
Not today. It's cold. My whole seat was full of snow.
It's cold.
You just have to eat more.
Or have an enclosed banana Cherokee.
Just quit being cold.
Okay.
Or warmer weather.
Hey, that's a good, I like that one. I like that.
The new JK doors, they're warm. They seal up. Except for this big gap right here.
All right, we made it to Hell's Gate. We're going straight to it, bypassing the overlook. Somebody's got their hood up there.
BleepinJeep is unimpressed.
I mean, we have been sitting down here for 30 minutes waiting for you to get the nuts to come down.
Now, if you listen here, I will go back up that trail.
Well, when you turn this corner, you're gonna have to.
Now what?
Here comes the nanner. I'm so cold, I'm shaking.
Hi, BleepinJeep fans.
Hi, Matt's Off-Road Recovery. Look at that.
We got BSF in the back.
You should have brought your Samurai.
If it had a better clutch, I would have, but next time.
Could have dominated out here.
I could have been dominated out here.
So they're wondering how I'm staying warm. I'm doing it with the power of Fab Rats.
That's why makes sense why I'm so cold. Don't have it.
Oh no.
Matt demanded that Tucker bring the Toyota down here. So Tucker's gonna bring the Toyota down here.
Tucker has no choice. He must come in his stock 4Runner.
Okay, now straighten out.
Why are you down here?
Peer pressure, mostly.
Have you seen the exit?
I just didn't want to wake up tomorrow and not have a job.
What are the odds that you get through the day without doing anything dumb?
The odds are good that the goods are odd.
I survived.
This particular obstacle, could you do it faster in the Corvair or on horse?
Probably on a horse.
Okay.
Because they just tuck their hind end down instead of poking it up. So then you just slide all the way down.
We're gonna have a race next week on BleepinJeep. What would you say if I said I'm broke down here and I need you to tow me out?
Well, I'd give it a try. Not sure if we could do it, but I'd give it a try.
Rory came down this backwards. What's the official diagnosis?
Something's broken.
Dang.
Something ain't right.
Something is from the Baroque period.
He would appreciate that.
He's a cheater.
Oh, personal best.
Come on, Tom. Act like you're 16. Those days are over.
Oh, so close.
Go there. I'm gonna rock on your door.
There you go. Yeah.
All right, so Bleepin' Matt's a little bit nervous to do this job.
So nervous.
But we got Bug in the passenger seat. The Scorpion crawler's just gonna go right up this without the hitch. All right, gonna run up this obstacle so that we can get some good footage. Is this working?
Really nervous. I need your help spotting.
Go that way. Okay, I wasn't gonna, but hey. So, did you feel like you were in capable hands?
100%. No stress. No stress.
He gets lucky from time
When the
to time.
tires started chirping back there, I was really getting nervous. All right, here comes Robbie, first time ever rock crawling. He's in Holly's giveaway Jeep. Let's see what he's got here. Got
Who's the job? It's a pizza.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
So here comes Tucker.
Here comes the star of the show.
Oh, we're already setting up.
Already setting up for a winch.
Yep.
Ye of little things. Setting up to winch him. He
think
hasn't
he
even
might
given
get
him
it.
a shot.
Is Rory the best spotter in the world? Or has he just done this so many times he knows?
Oh, crap. Yeah, son.
I'm telling you, man, like those Toyotas, did you see how that's doing? Those tie rods freak me out, so you can't drive into the wall. Like they were starting in front.
Yeah.
If you do that, you'll taco it, and then we're carrying 2 Toyotas out of here. That was wild, man. I need to go give Rory a big old hug.
My way. Drive up that.
Is it time for a green Suzuki crawler?
There's the crawler right there. Walk in the park.
Jamie's driving up in the banana. I don't know if she's got a passenger or not.
She has a huge smile on her face.
Driver? Driver? I think you need a Wrangler rock crawler.
I was sleeping in a rooftop tent last night, and I thought the mafia was chasing me down for some of the money I owed them or something. Wind was just beating the hell out of that, and then I woke up to snow all over the place. Yeah, fun.
One way to do it, I guess. I think he's gonna try to show off and do it backwards.
Front only, front only. Hurry. Hurry. There you go.
Guys with rear steer Ultra 4 cars are having more difficult time making it up this than the Toyota did, the 4Runner. All right, Bug's hopping in. We're gonna go up.
You can't get rid of me. Not yet.
All right, Colt and I are doing it together. It's probably a really bad idea. All right, so the trick is to hug this side of the wall. Most people just want to go straight through.
Right.
But on this second part right here, you got to get way over to the right. It feels weird.
Okay.
Because you're going to dip down like that. But that's where you need to be to get your right rear tire up on that wall. Otherwise, things get really bad. That's all there is to it.
You make it look so easy.
Oh!
He didn't listen. Did you get your top, George?
All I know is thank goodness for the Freedom winch line. Yet again.
Let's see the top.
Show me up.
That was awesome.
Those sway bars saved the day, Matt.
I think that's what it was. You had sway bars.
I'd be down in that hole yelling, "Freedom winch line!"
Down in that hole.
Is it simpler this way?
Well, it's all downhill from here.
Of course you would say that.
Alright guys, so this is the stair steps. Somebody said it's only been open for 2 weeks now. Like they shut it down many years ago and they just reopened it. So let's check this out. It's gonna be awesome. Looks like a little miniature escalator.
Brand new obstacle on Hell's Revenge.
What's the plan?
Plan is to go party.
Sounds good. How about food with that party?
I was born to party.
I know, I've seen you at a lot of parties. Close her out.
So we just finished the BleepinJeep influencer tour. It was amazing. There was tons of influencers there.
He doesn't know what to say. Check out those videos right here. More to come from, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Boom, fixed.
So much better.